Meaning of garter snake.
Garter snake.
Garter snake.
Garter snake.
Garter snake. A garter snake is a type of non-venomous snake that belongs to the genus Thamnophis. They are typically small in size, with lengths ranging from 23 to 84 centimeters long, and are often found in North America. The name garter refers to the pattern of vertical stripes on their body, which resemble the bands on a garter belt. Garter snakes are commonly found in grassy areas near water sources and feed on small prey such as insects, earthworms, and small amphibians. They play an important role in controlling the populations of these animals.